In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a recovery email or phone number in your Gmail account. So if you want to add another layer of security to your account, then you're in the right video. So by adding your phone number or your recovery email, you can easily access your account whenever you're locked out, or even if your account got hacked. So the recovery email or phone number will be used to access back your account easily. So I'll walk you through on how to do that. So follow along as I guide you step by step. And if you find this video helpful, then consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's jump in. So for you to add that recovery email or phone number, you need to open your Gmail application. Now after opening the Gmail application, now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Manage your Google account. Tap on that option. And you scroll to the right and then select Security. Tap on that. Now scroll down. Now you see two options: recovery phone number and recovery email. So I'll choose recovery email. Now submit the email that you want to be the recovery email of that Gmail account. After submitting, tap on the next button. Now a verification code is sent to that recovery email that you just submitted. So minimize and open to receive that verification code. As you can see, you have received a verification code. So copy that code, then go back to Gmail, then submit that code, then click on verify. So by doing that, you have now successfully added a recovery email or phone number in your Gmail account. So that is for me today. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.